Alright, so we definitely have water coming from here now. As you can see, these are the one of the repairs I did are perfect. So let's see. Let's see. Alright, so this old sink was leaking. The seals went bad inside of the faucet. So I ripped that out. Put a new scooch on here. Okay, got the silicone on there ready to go. Alright, here's the new one. Go ahead and pop him on in. Line them up. Okay. Alright, let's get the nuts here. Go ahead and put him through. Oh. Alright. Put all these through the nut first. Alright. All that goes up. Alright. Alright, now we just push it up and start screwing them up in there. So we got a nice tight connection. Let's see how it looks up top first. Okay. Just make sure it's lined up here before I tighten it all the way. Okay. Okay, that's nice and straight. Alright. Alrighty, back to here again. Get them on there. Alright, use my little crescent wrench. Tighten them up. Alright, let's check it out. There. Goes back up like it should. Run the water. Check for any leaks. Everything's holding up good. And it all looks good up here. We're all set.